We have a tropical disturbance just to our south here in South Georgia. It is Invest 93L. Its chances for development have not increased. The reason being is, what is the center of it? Is mostly over land, and it's farther to the north, and because of that, it's mostly going to be interacting with land. Now, if it does shift a little farther south, it does have the potential of developing into a depression and or tropical storm Dexter. But at this point, it looks like most of the modeling has it right over land near the coast, and again, it's going to be primarily a big rain producer, flooding and flash flooding along the Gulf Coast. We're going to get some rain from it today and even tomorrow into Friday, but I think we'll stay away from anything that's too severe. We're not even under a marginal risk for flash flooding. It's just to our south and eventually south and west. Let's take you out the door this morning. It is air you can wear. It's not a good morning to have no AC. That's me. Got home from a long vacation and the AC is not working. Poor me, huh? All right, let's talk about the rest of the forecast. Low 80s at 10 a.m., upper 80s at 1 p.m., low 90s at 4 p.m. You can see that the rain chances do climb as we go into the afternoon. We'll see the rain chances rise, and that'll keep our temperatures down. We've been in the upper 90s. We're going to be in the low to mid 90s today, and even some of the cooler spots in the upper 80s. You can see the rotation around that low pressure to our south, bringing in those showers and storms as we go into the afternoon. You can see how active it will be. Some heavy downpours will be possible. There will be tropical downpours. So someone's going to get 1, 2, 3 inches of rain, but the heaviest activity should stay to our south for the day today. Just have your umbrella ready, and don't be surprised if you get wet, if you get caught in one of those downpours. Rain chances fall off tonight from 7 to 11, 88 to 81. Very warm, and then mild to muggy overnight, 75 degrees. Southeast winds 5 to 10. They did pick up in the overnight. There was some gustier winds, so we will see some winds picking up a little bit this afternoon. So a little squally weather at times, maybe get a gust to 30, 35 miles per hour with some of these showers today. You can see the low is moving to the west. We call that retrograding if that was a typical storm, but remember, tropical systems tend to move this direction, so it's not out of the norm for low pressure. This reminds me of 2020. We had a lot of weak systems in the vicinity, nothing too strong in 2020. A lot of them impacted us here in South Georgia with some heavy downpours, so that's going to be the case here. They may get some wind and some beach and erosion up across portions of Alabama, and then, of course, the onshore flow, some flooding Lake Pontchartrain in that location with the onshore flow. But for us, it's mainly going to be some rain producers and a cool down because of that. And when I say a cool down, it'll be in the low 90s instead of the mid to upper 90s. But as this low continues to move away from us, Invest 93L, our temperatures will continue to increase. And the humidity is high, ladies and gentlemen. So those heat index numbers are going to soar past 100 as early as tomorrow, really, and then above 105, I believe, by Sunday. Heat advisories likely Sunday on in through Tuesday next week. So you can see how we add a degree to the temperature every afternoon. The rain chances still on the good side Thursday and Friday, equal chances of getting wet, and then just an isolated shower or storm on Saturday and Sunday for your weekend. We'll talk more about that, Invest 93L, and the rest of your forecasts on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. I hope you join us then.